Hi friends, I'm about to go on a nature walk. Do you want to join me? Let's see what I can find. What do you think this bee is doing? It's like they're working hard to restore this habitat. What could you do to help take care of our habitat? I found some litter. What do you think that's gonna do to our environment? I found some water. Do you have water near your house? What's happening to this tree? How do you think this tree got holes in it? I wonder if it hurts the tree. What happened to this tree? Why do you think the bark is all different colors? What kind of tree do you think this is? It has white flowers on it. Why do you think this tree died? Why is it red? What do you think they're gonna do with all these trees they chopped down? Do you think they could make something out of them? What kind of flower do you think this is? It's yellow. It has 6 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These purple flowers look so much different than our yellow flowers. What kind of flower do you think those are? 9, 10 dandelions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What do you see on this plant? I wonder if those are poisonous. I wonder why these branches are purple. Look at all of these leaves. How many leaves do you think there are? Do you think you could count all of these leaves? I see lots of sticks. Do you think we can count them together? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which stick's the longest stick? I think the one in the middle is the longest. Which one do you think's the shortest stick? I think this one's the shortest stick. Look at all these sticks. What would you make out of all these sticks? There are rocks everywhere. Do you think you could find some rocks on your nature walk? They're all different colors. What color rocks do you think you could find? I found a bird's nest. What kind of bird do you think lives in this nest? Found another bird's nest. Wow, 2 birds' nests. Do you see the bird? What kind of bird do you think that is? It's walking away. Do you see its orange belly? What do you think this bird is thinking? What animal do you think I found? around. What do you think he's gonna do next? What kind of animal do you think lives in there? Look, there's a pine cone. How many pine cones do you think I can find? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pine cones. What shape do you see? Thanks for going on a nature walk with me, friends. I hope you guys can go on a nature walk with your families at home too. Have a great day. Bye.